Hey guys, in this video I'll compare Typedream versus Webflow. So I'll give an in-depth comparison about the two software tools. So basically we are going to answer the question which software is better. First of all, I want to say that there's no software specifically better because that depends on your needs. First of all, let's look at the features of both softwares. So first of all, Typedream has the or Typedream as well as Webflow do not have the ability to auto update. So if you are really busy, if you have a busy schedule, you might want a tool or software that has the ability to auto update because you don't have to update yourself or manually. Um, yeah, because that can take a while sometimes. Content import export, they both offer that. Drag and drop as well, which is nice. If you don't have um, yeah, that much experience in web development, it's nice to have a drag and drop system because that makes it a lot easier than uh, other website building systems. Also, landing pages in web forms, Typedream as well as Webflow offers these. So, newsletter management, only Webflow offers a newsletter management. And yeah, if you have a big business or if you want to scale your business and you really want to grow, I definitely recommend you considering starting a newsletter because starting a newsletter can gain you a lot of clients. And it's just always nice to grow that way because it's not a very nice way. It doesn't take a lot of time to write a newsletter, but it can definitely help you grow your business. And I think a newsletter is very, very great, but Typedream does not offer that option, which is quite annoying. Yeah, but if you want it, you can consider using Webflow. So the online booking systems. So if you have, for example, a restaurant or an Airbnb, for example, you can add an online booking system in both platforms as well as an online store builder, which is quite nice. So you can just build your, for example, your e-commerce site or your store on both platforms. So the SEO management, it's both very, very well designed, very well easy to manage, and I love the SEO management of both platforms, of both tools. The surveys, so basically yeah, Typedream as well as Webflow does not offer the ability to add surveys to your website, which is quite annoying because sometimes it's nice to ask your visitors of your website, what they think of the website or just other questions. But yeah, both platforms do not offer this. But I think it's not really necessary. It's a nice extra to have. Yeah. Then what you see is what you get editor. So Webflow has this option. So basically, what you see is what you get editor is just very nice because you can, for example, drag an image into your website and you instantly see, uh, yeah, you see what you get. So basically, that is how to look. And Typedream it works a bit differently, but still it's a very easy to edit the website. So let's look at the technical details of both software. So first, the access monitoring. So Typedream as well as Webflow does not offer that, uh, as well as the business hours. They don't offer that, but they are both online. The contact number slash address, I don't think it's really necessary, but nice to know where the headquarters are located of both softwares of both companies, and they are both in San Francisco. So this one is really important. So I think if you have really big plans to scale your business to grow your business, then you kind of need an IPA or have the ability to, that there is an IPA. That's quite important. And Typedream does not offer that. Um, that option. They do not have an IPA, and Webflow does have that option. So yeah, think twice when choosing for Typedream if you really need an IPA. So of course don't not every business needs an IPA, but it's a nice extra. So Webflow offers that. Then let's look at the deployment. So Typedream as well as Webflow offers deployment for SaaS web and cloud, but they do not offer deployment for mobile Android, mobile iOS, Windows, BlackBerry, and also not deployment for Windows and Mac. So I don't think that's really, yeah, like necessary, but again, it's nice to have, and some companies, some software offer, offers that. So now let's look at the customers. So um, yeah, who are the customers? What kind of customers um, can you like, how to say it? Like if you're an individual, you can go for Typedream as well as Webflow. Freelancers cannot go for Typedream. Of course, if you are a freelancer and you want to offer your services on Typedream, it works a bit differently. But on Webflow, it's not a problem. Large enterprises, yeah, just do not go for Typedream. I highly recommend Webflow, but not Typedream, definitely not. Medium as well as small businesses can go for Typedream as well as Webflow. Now let's look at the pricing of both platforms. So first, let's look at the pricing module. So does um, Typedream or Webflow offer a free trial? No, they don't. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But they offer freemium, and basically that is, yeah, that you can yeah, use the tool for free. And if yeah, you can upgrade to use specific features of the software. So they both offer freemium, which is really really nice. Also Webflow as well as Typedream, you can create your own site very easily and totally for free. You only have a bit, yeah, bunch of disadvantages, such as a branded domain name, but you can always upgrade and change that domain name to your own, yeah, to your own name, for example. So the one-time license, it's not available, but that's not very, yeah, likely that you see that in a website building niche. So that's not, yeah, not weird. So subscription. So they both offer a subscription. I will show you the prices later on. And quotation based Webflow offers that. So if you have a lot of clients, customers, daily or monthly visitors, yeah, you can pay for that, for the amount of clients or visitors you have. Typedream does not offer that. So now let's look at the integrations. So yeah, this is really annoying because Titan does not offer any integrations, which is really annoying. So Webflow offers a lot, such as I've listed one of the most popular, such as Instagram, ActiveCampaign, Mailchimp, Typeform, SurveyMonkey, HubSpot, CRM, Google Analytics, which is really nice. I personally love Google Analytics, and I think it's a must. Um, yeah, if you want to scale your business, because you really need to look into the analytics and uh, take strategical steps from there. Zendesk chat for support, Airtable, Shopify, and Zapier for automations. So yeah, I think that's very annoying that Typedream does not offer integrations at this moment. Maybe in the future, but keep that in mind. Now let's go for an individual comparison. So here you see Typedream, so you see the support is online, customer type, so you can see, yeah, which kind of customers can go to Typedream. You see the IP is not available, the location or phone number is, of course, like I said, San Francisco. Deployment, you see the official website, so typedream.com. Category is a website builder software, and the Webflow technical analytics support is online customer type. So a lot of customers can go to Webflow because individuals and really large enterprises. So all kinds of customers. IPA is available. The location is, the headquarters are in San Francisco. Deployment, again, the SaaS web cloud. Official website is webflow.com, and category is website builder software, as well as CMS, content management software. Now let's look at the pricing. So here you see the monthly pricing of Typedream is a bit more expensive than the yearly pricing of Typedream. So you have a free plan that is unlimited pages, but one publishable page. with a branded domain name. When you go for the launch option, it's $15 per month, billed monthly. Um, yeah, you have unlimited publishable pages, custom domain name, team collaboration, SEO, metadata, and code injection. I think that's very useful if you really want to scale your side hustle or your website. Now let's look at the monthly pricing of Webflow. Uh, Free forever plan that is also really nice. You can start with 2 projects, 100 plus hours of tutorials, full design control, and publish to webflow.io. So again, you can publish your website, but only with a branded domain name. And you can see the other plans as well. I can even there are even more enterprise options, but I think that's not necessary for the most of you watching. So you can take a screenshot for this. You can just pause the video and look at it yourself. But I will show you the yearly pricing of Typedream right now. So as you can see, it's a bit cheaper than the monthly pricing. So it's $12 per month instead of 15. Again, the free plan is the same. Uh, yeah, this is a bit more, yeah, a bit cheaper, which is really really nice, as well as the yearly pricing of Webflow. It's a bit cheaper as well. So the basic plan is at $12 per month when you pay yearly, and that's the same with Typedream. It's also $12 per month when you pay yearly. So now let's go to the conclusion. First, I want to say, yeah, it's very important that that there is that you choose a software that fits your needs. So basically, yeah, not a specific company or software is better. It depends on your needs. So which one is better for you, Typedream or Webflow? If you have big plans and goals with your business and really want to scale it, then choose Webflow. So yeah, if you have big plans, big dreams, then choose Webflow. Webflow definitely. So, but if you want to build a website for your site, also a small business, and if you don't have that much experience in building websites, then choose Typedream. It's very easy to build websites. It's not expensive, and it's just yeah, you can create really nice looking websites, nice working websites, completely for free, as well as for $15 per month or $12 per month. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to get started with Typedream or Webflow, please check out the links in the description. If you sign up for Typedream, I get a small commission and it helps the channel grow. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.